shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for August 10th. Happy Monday, everybody. Let's get going with the SPY. Yeah, so very little dark pool activity coming up in these levels over the past week. So we'll see what comes in today, but we're going to be bullish above 336. Pretty key level. We are hitting some resistance on an upper trend line, thanks to Dave that sent me that picture over the weekend. But we're going to be bearish below 333.50 for a retracement trade. Let's just check out this daily chart right here. Yeah, so the retracement trade would be down to the 4 EMA. And you can see every time that we've gone higher, retrace, retrace, same pattern over and over again until it changes. Let's go to the E-minis. E-minis, we're going to be bullish above 33.57.50, bear below 33.37 for a retracement. Oops. Let's go to the IWM. Bullish above 157.50 and bear below 155 for a retracement trade. Let's head on over to the Qs. Bullish above 272.50. Yep, watch these two moving averages on the 5-minute chart. Yeah, introduced these to you in the Dark Pool Insights this weekend. They're really powerful, so bullish above there and bear below 270. Now the Qs look like they're starting to turn down a little bit. Yeah, we've already gone down to the 4 EMA, so that trade would be pretty much the 8. Watch that 8 EMA, and there is a small gap here as well. So we could have a possible gap fill if we cannot hold that 8 exponential moving average. So about 266 would be that area. All right, watch that 266.45. That's a pretty key level there on the Qs. Let's go to NQ, the NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 11,200 and bear below 11,050 for the NQ. All right, let's head on over to the oil futures. So let's just go to that weekly chart. And yep, we are still in that possible dreaded H, or we could rip right through these dashed tracks on my chart right here. So, I mean, this is keeping us in suspense. Yep, or are we going to roll over? We did have a high volume upthrust last week. So are we going to retest that this week on low volume? Then next week would probably be the week we would roll over if that's the case. But if we close strong above here, look out. We're going to rev up all the way possibly to about that 50 level. Yep. So we'll see. But today, let's just go to a 5-minute chart to day trade this. Bullish above 42. And bear below 41.50 on the oil futures. Let's go head over to the gold futures. Bullish above 20.45 and bear below 20.32.50. All right, let's go to the individual stocks. We got a lot of those this morning. American Airlines trying to lift off here. We are hitting this 50 simple moving average, and we spoke about these last week. These two guys, yeah, the 50 and the 120. So if we can clear that runway, all right, pun intended, bull above 1350, there's a lot of room here till we hit that VWAP up top, this yellow line, volume weighted average price. Let's, and I'll be bear below 1280 if we do turn down there. NEO, bullish above 14 today, and we're going to be bearish below 1325. Apple going to be bullish above 450. We just went above that, so bull trade is on. Bear below 446. Had some emails from some traders over the weekend. If you're a pre-market trader, then by all means, trade these pre-market. You have to know what you're doing. Please be successful as a trader while the market's open first before you tackle pre-market trading. But there's going to be times when these stocks really move right before the market opens, and many times when they don't, they wait for the market to open. So trade what you feel comfortable, trade the stocks that fit your trading personality. There's so many whispers. I don't expect you to take them all. Pick and choose your favorites. All right, and paper trade until you know what you're doing. Bear below 446 for Apple. Let's go to Twitter. Yep, look at this Twitter. Look at that. Wow. Look at that big spike it had this morning, and it's trying to hug on to those 200 moving averages on the 5-minute chart. So bullish above 39. Yep, there's a nice wide open space here if it does pull back up again, or we're going to be bearish below 37.80 if it does go below that area. It's not an easy one to trade though. Silver, bullish above 26.60, and you can see it came down and bounced really nicely off that 4 EMA once again, and we're going to be bearish below 25.80 if it can't hold there. All right, let's head on over to Bank of America. Banks are hot. Massive prints coming in, by the way, on the bank stocks. I got 2 of them here for you on the Whisper, but the first one, BAC, bullish above 26.50, bear below 25.80. Bull above 26.50, bear below 80 here. Only if we turn down, the sky is clear ahead there for BAC. Foot Locker had great earnings, or what they thought was great, that this stock likes it. It's definitely going to be a crazy trader today. Just look at the span. Look at the ATR this morning. Oh, yeah. 28 to 36. Yeah, that's crazy ridiculous. The VWAP's at 33.23. So most of the volume happened around 33.23 area. Yeah, they kind of spiked it up on air. So yeah, let it calm down and then trade it. Yeah, this is one you definitely want to wait a good 15-20 minutes and then jump in. Watch those pivots. You guys know I taught you guys in boot camp what to watch for, but bullish above 34.50. This was when it was a little bit higher. I probably would change that to 33. Yep, just above this 200 if it can break up again. And bear below 32.50. We've already gone to the bear below level and are hitting a few targets. Okay, let's go to the next one. Intel, massive, holy moly prints have been coming in on this one. Something big is happening with Intel. Yeah, 6 million on Friday at about this 48 level, but 20 million above us at 49.50. Just going to draw a line here. If we close above 49.50, that's going to be uber bullish. Even 50, right. Confirmation would be the 50 level. However, if we close weak, that's going to be bearish below all the prints. All right, so keep an eye. Today, though, bear below 47.75. Yeah, let's see what they do with this. Patience. CGC, bull above 18.50 and bear below 17.25 for Canopy Growth. Let's go to gold. Barrick Gold had earnings. Going to be bullish above 29.50, and thank you, Pinky, for all those amazing call outs this morning. Really appreciated. Bear below 28.80. All right, Jemiah. Bullish above 21.50 this morning, lots of volume, and bear below 20 for a retracement. And we can't forget Wells Fargo. Oh yeah, this had crazy prints coming in last week. 24.20, we're above that 9 million. 24.09, we're above it. 24, we're above all the prints, you guys, and there's a lot of room ahead of us. So I absolutely love this. Bull above 25.55, bearish only if we go down below the prints. There you have it. Those are your whispers for August 10th. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.